In this video, I'll show you how to extract certain pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I do have a PDF with me here, and let's assume I want to extract, let's say maybe this particular page. Now, for whatever reason, you know the reasons. You may want to extract a page and just have it or move it or share it as it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Adobe Acrobat and just drag and drop my file right inside there. So from this window, all we need to do now is just go to organize pages, and if you can't see it, you may need to click on all tools and then you're going to click on organize pages. Now your pages are going to populate right here, and let's assume we want to kind of use this particular page. Now we just want to extract this page, or you can select a couple by pressing on Control and clicking so that you can select 2, 3, 4, 5 more pages like that. But I can actually just click out to deselect, and let's select this one page, and you'll see right here it's going to have page 6 selected, and from the page options just click on this extract pages icon, click on it. And what do I want to do? I want to extract the page, and you can also delete the pages after extracting. You can make that selection, but I'll not do that. I'll just click on extract page as separate files, and then I'll click on extract, and from here I'll need to navigate to the folder that I want to extract to. I want PDF and click OK. And once I do that, you may think nothing has happened, but if you go back to our folder, you'll see this particular slide here, or PDF slide here. Just open it up and you'll see it's 1 of 1, and if actually look at it, it is the slide that we actually wanted to extract, this particular one. And that is how you can easily extract certain page or pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.